Hello, my name is Ingfijarotul Habibah. My registration number are 204200084. Today, I want to presentation about Pidgins and Creole. Pidgin is a language which developed as a contact language when groups of people who speak different language come into contact and communicate with each other. A pidgin develops as a means of communication between two or more groups which don't have common language. For example, in Papua New Guinea, a lot of official business is conducted in talk pidgin. A pidgin is described as an English pidgin. Its English is the lexical language that is the main source word in the pidgin. It doesn't mean that those words will have some pronunciation or meaning as in the source. For example, the word grass has its origin in the English word grass, but in talk pidgin it also came to be used for hair. It's part of mouse grass. The meaning is mustache in English, and grass below face or beard. Pidgin can also characterized by an absence of any complex grammatical morphology and a somewhat limited vocabulary. Reflectional suffix such as s for plural and s for possessive. For example, where structures like two book in English is two books, and the girl place like the girl's place. You can also find another example like Bambai. The meaning is by and by. Head. The meaning is head. Belong you is belong you. Alright. The meaning is he alright. Creole. Creole is when a pidgin develops beyond its role as a trade or a contact language and becomes the first language of a second community. The characteristic of Pidgins and Creole. Pidgin is no native speakers, arise quickly for functional communication, compromise between two or more language. Creole usually starts as a pidgin, becomes children's native language. The post-Creole continuum. The post-Creole continuum is a dialect continuum of varieties of the Creole language between those most and least similar to the superstate language. Creolization is development from a pidgin to a Creole. Decreolization is the number of speakers will tend to use fewer Creole forms and structure. For example, in Jamaica, one speaker might say, "Ti mi book dat," using the basic Creole variety. Another may put it as, "Is mi book," using a variety with fewer Creole features. And yet another may choose it my book, using a variety with only some pronunciation feature of the Creole.